Okay, here we have the Serene Innovations. This is the VA3 vibrating travel alarm clock. Now this is an alarm clock, a timer, temperature, and flashlight. It does have a very powerful built-in vibrating alarm. It also has audio, vibrating audio and vibration alarm modes. The audio alarm has 3 levels of adjustment. It does have 12 or 24-hour clock mode, which it does have military time. Large, bright, easy to read screen, built-in room temperature display, timer function. I already talked about the flashlight. I'm going to show you the flashlight. There we go. It's pretty bright. I like it. Here's the alarm. I also like the idea of this alligator clip for travel. You're not going to lose this. Quality by Serene.